That's right. We're making the world's healthiest taco today with just 3 ingredients. Takes less than 1 minute. I promise you're going to love this one. And at the end, we're turning it into a taco bowl. We're having some fun today. Let's go. All right. So here's the first ingredient. I hope I don't lose you. Stick with me. I promise it's going to be worth it at the end. We are taking lettuce, like butterhead lettuce. I like it because it gives a nice surface area. This is going to be our taco shell instead of a traditional corn or flour one. So we're going to start with the lettuce. The second ingredient is avocado. I love these good fats for you. Now, since we're doing a taco, I want to make it fast. We're going to use some guac instead. You can have spicy, you can have mild. Just look at the ingredients. Make sure there's not too many things added. This is all natural. There's like 1 ingredient, avocado. That's all. 2 ingredients. So all we're going to do is open up the guac. Take a, knife full. I don't know what that is. And I just layer it right onto the lettuce and get ready for ingredient number 3. Oh yeah, so this is my secret ingredient for health, longevity, anti-aging. I'm 52, I've never felt so good. Please stick with me. Promise you'll stick with me. Sardines. Yes, I love sardines. Yes, we're doing a sardine taco. These are boneless, skinless fillets. I have the Amazon link below. So there's no heads, there's no skin. So here's what we're gonna do next. We're simply gonna take the sardine and put it right into the taco, or our own taco here. Now, if you don't love sardines, like, oh, it's too fishy, too smelly, the avocado is going to kind of cut that flavor, that taste, and together, this is so delicious and it's so good for you. But as I promised you before, we're going to turn this to a really good taco bowl. So let's do that. So the first ingredient to layer into our bowl, instead of rice, I love cauliflowered rice. So cauliflower that's into the fine consistency of rice. And I'm going to put that in the bowl first. So I'm going to layer that into the bowl. Next, you can have some, obviously you could do tomatoes, or if you want to go canned tomatoes, or a little bit of salsa. So we're going to go salsa here and just put some salsa right in. Next ingredient, since it's a taco, we're going to add some beans. And I just took some canned beans, rinsed them all, and ready to rock. So we're going to put some beans in here. And then the sardines right on top. And if you want, you can go back to the block here, put some on there. And now you've got a delicious taco bowl with cauliflowered rice, the salsa, the beans, the guac, the sardines. You've got everything. And I want to show you one other thing you could do to make this even better. I found these other chips down on Amazon. These are also avocado oil potato chips. And you could just take them. And what I like about these, they're really big. Now you don't want to have a fat bag of them. And you could just scoop up all that incredible ingredients into a chip and have it. And it's much better for you than some of the fried corn and tortilla chips. Now, of course, I'm obsessed with helping you live a longer, better, happier, healthier life, which is why I have my new free 1-page journal. It's based on the 5 buttons of a boombox or VCR. We press play, we pause. I'm giving this to you for free. I was going to put it a $30, fancy journal, but you could download it for free, print out as many as you want, use it every day. Just write 5 below in the comments, and I'll send this to you for free. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we are just getting warmed up. I'll see you in the next video.